Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to pin on 1010 app. So let's get into the video. So firstly open up the 10 app here, and then once you've logged into your 1010 app and logged into your account, so mostly you're able to see your pin code here on your top right here. So once you get to this screen here where you can add your friends, on your top you will see your pin number here. So click on it, you'll copy that. So that's your pin code of yours, so you can share this if anyone wants to add you, and that's where you find your pin. So if you want to put a pin on, and then for if you want to add friends with the pin, then simply what you have to do is hit on this add sign here, and then when you click add sign here, so now here you have to type in the pin of your friend, so whoever that is. So just going to type that in and then hit on the next button, and that will add your friends. So that's how you can use your pin on 1010, and I hope this information was helpful to you all. I will see you in another video. Thank you.